Well, welcome to the Manor patio. We're happy to have you here today. I'm going to show you my 4th of July table, but before we do that, I want you to smash that subscribe button and follow along on our crazy journey. So the first thing you do when you're setting a table is you put a pretty tablecloth on. I love a tablecloth because it adds so much color. It makes you feel special. I mean, think about when you go to a nice restaurant and you have a tablecloth, it just makes you special. So I want my guests to feel special. So the texture, the color of the tablecloth adds so much. This is a pomegranate tablecloth. I love it because look how vibrant the color is. It's made out of cotton. When the artists make it, they carve a block of wood and they block print all of this. It's all done by hand, and that's what makes it unusual and just beautiful. I love building layers on my table. I think that just adds so much interest, and I just pile on the dishes. We got to have a placemat, so we've got this cute little red and white check placemat that screams summer, 4th of July. Next, we put down a charger in white with bamboo. After that, we added a Juliska plate. It's blue and white. It's so pretty. Then I put down my napkin. Of course, you've got to have the flags, the stars and stripes. Next is a little blue and white plate from Juliska. And to top it off, this cute little strawberry plate. Isn't that the cutest thing? I think that is so cute. It's an inexpensive little plate, but it brings in the red that you need for red, white, and blue. I also put a little dish from Juliska, a little berry dish. You could put your dip in here. You could put your berries. It just adds another little element to your table. Who doesn't want a Coke for 4th of July? Everybody does. Look at these bottles. This is how we always used to drink Coke, in these little bottles. Now you can have them too. So I took a little ribbon of red, white, and blue stars and tied it around it just to make it special. The whole idea is you want your table to be special. You want it to have your guests come in and say, wow, I love that table. The translucent quality of these qualia glasses just add the jewelry to your table. I'm always telling you, you gotta have some jewelry to brighten it up. Your crystal, your tableware, that adds the jewelry. So look how cute that looks. We got a little salt and pepper here that are strawberries. Darling napkins that have ginger jars and strawberries, red, white, and blue. If you don't want to go for the stars and stripes, this is a really cute idea for the 4th of July because you've got the colors, and you can use these all summer because it's the perfect color. Now look at this great idea. We have our chips in here. You could put fruit in here. You could put anything you want to, and then you've got this lovely little cover that keeps all the bugs and flies out. Take your portion, cover it back up, and you can leave it out all afternoon and not worry one bit. Really good product. It's a ding dong. We did red, white, and blue in a strawberry pot. Isn't that cute? It ties it all together. These are UV protected. These are not UV, but what we did was we sprayed it with Krylon, and that makes it UV protected. And then we've got some round top in here that makes it cute. Look at that little glass and a martini. I'm ready for that. How about you? Don't forget to dress up your chairs. These bows make your chairs look over the top. When you walk into this back patio, you see the arrangement, you see the bows, you go, well, hello, 4th of July. I am ready to party. That, to me, icing on the cake to put those bows on your chairs. I love it. So tell me, what did you like best in this video? The plates, the bows, the centerpiece, the pretty glasses, or let's have a Coke. Comment and let us know. Don't forget, smash that subscribe because you never know what's next. Everything you see on this table is available at Amber Marie Company. Come into the store, visit us on the web, make your 4th of July the best ever.